So unbox this thing, man, from CyberPC, my new laptop. Let's see what we got in here. Pretty big box. Open this thing up. What do we got? We got lots of fun things in here, huh? Ooh. Very secure. These are great. I'll reuse these for sure. I'll take these off here. Here's the laptop. There we go. The top's right here. Get rid of this box. All right, they definitely securely pack that. Let's see, I want to make sure I don't cut anything. I'm thinking top. Let's do that. Let's do the top right here. I need a new laptop, so I got it. And here it is. We're going to unbox this. CyberPowerPC. It says 05 Tracer V-Edge I17E series. It has its own box. Pretty cool. Put this in here. Has its own box. Cool. Very cool. CyberPowerPC, play ready, notebook gaming PC, 05 Tracer V-Edge I17E series, Intel Core i17, NVIDIA, GeForce, see from the back. Kind of the same. Cool, comes in a little handy box. Alright, let's open this up, see what's got inside this thing. Just do it on the side. Get rid of this stuff for me. Alright, I'm gonna take this out. See what we got in here. Alright. Thanks, how do we do? Leave a review and get a $10 Amazon gift card. I love when companies do this. Insert USB key to begin. Oh, cool. Okay, comes with that. Comes with instruction manual. Definitely securely packed. Ooh, this thing feels nice. It's feeling nice already. All right, hold on. Get rid of these. Oh, I want to make another copy. I'll turn it back on. A little slip case right here. Nice right there. Put this off to the side. Hey, there we go. Let's do it this way, I guess. Oh, wow. Seems looking nice. Put it all stuck together. Yeah, actually, whatever else in this box here. One thing in here. Probably the power supply. You don't need this box anymore. Oh, it actually has included inside laptop, computer, power adapter, manuals, and guides. Gaming is everything. Some little things on the side of it. Here's the box again. Just show everyone what's in and what we got. All right, so the laptop itself. Let's see. Get rid of that. Ooh, I'm loving the 17-inch screen. I was coming from a 15-inch screen. And now I have a 17-inch screen. I think the 17-inch screen is perfect. This is a great size display, honestly. Like that's where it's at. So what's this? On, off. Interesting. Learn how to do that. Oh wow, this laptop. Whoa! A lot thinner than I expected. It has a keyboard, it has a laptop lock on it. It has a microphone and a headset port. It has a USB on this side, nothing on this end. Looks like, I don't know, this, two USBs on the side. I don't know this other thing. This looks like for a memory card maybe. Now in the back, power, LAN, or for the Ethernet cable, you have HDMI out, and it looks like a Thunder port. Or USB-C. Maybe USB-C. Forgot, I kind of wanted to get Thunder port though for audio stuff. I'll pull this thing off. But wow, look at this. This thing is nice. A lot thinner than I thought it would be. I thought this thing was going to be massive. Let's take this thing off top. Oh, so sleek looking. See, I like the sleekness of this laptop. It's like, it's very, oh man, it's so much thinner than I thought it would be. Wow, feels very, very nice. I thought this thing was going to be a lot bigger than what it was. And I love this. This is the perfect size. This is great. That's a keyboard feel. Whoa, keyboard feels good too. Oh, it's a very slim keyboard. I'll probably end up using my own keyboard, but on the go, I'd say it's a good keyboard. It's very similar to my last HP that I had. By the way, don't ever get an HP laptop. They're the worst. Yeah, it seems pretty nice. It's pretty slim. Let's see what's in this thing. All right, cables. And probably in the other shot, I'll probably try to get close up of what we got working with this laptop. Oh, just the power cable. So I'll put all of these stuff together. But wow, this thing is incredible. So nice, so sleek. I don't really like things that scream gaming laptop because I'm gonna use it for video editing, but also gaming, content creation, stuff like that. I'm helping produce a podcast, so this is gonna be a great on-the-go system for that. It's sleek. It's actually not heavy. I think my HP laptop is actually a smaller screen and it actually feels heavier than this. So, and this is very thin. I thought this was gonna be, I mean, it's not super thin like some of those new MacBooks that they have out, but awesome. This thing is great. I'm very, very excited to boot this thing up. This thing will be great. All right, so we're gonna get a little bit of a more of a close-up so you can kind of get what you're getting with the Tracer Edge. This is the continuation of the unboxing. I mean, this thing is really slim. It's sleek. It's nice looking. I mean, this thing is awesome. Gotta see how it runs too. I'm gonna boot it up right after this. Can't wait. Oh, it says it does have sound. It does have powered by Sound Blaster Cinema. Oh, that's great. I thought it had a stock on it, audio card on it. Yeah, this is the CyberPowerPC. This is Tracer V Edge I17E GM7T-G8P. This is the one that was the instant ready ship one. I specifically got this one because I wanted the 17-inch screen and I wanted the NVIDIA sound card. Video card. The 3080. I specifically wanted that just so it could last a little bit longer. But yeah, this thing is looking nice. Get kind of a 360 view on it. Kind of get a vibe. Kind of see what it looks like. In my opinion, it is really sleek looking and slim. Can't wait to see how the screen looks. It's got the built-in webcam on the top. How is this keyboard? Very thin keyboard. It's very much like my HP one. This is cool.